Hi there! Check out these plastic stackable storage bins with 4 tiers for organizing your home efficiently. They offer large capacity, perfect for storing clothes, toys, snacks, and even office supplies. The adjustable stackable design lets you customize layers to save space vertically and fit your needs. Made with durable plastic and rust-proof stainless steel poles, these bins are built to last and easy to clean. Their modern look blends well with any room, from kitchens and bathrooms to playrooms and offices. The open design allows you to quickly see and grab what you need without hassle. Whether for pantry organization or toy storage, these bins help keep your space neat and functional every day. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.